So next up, we've got the shoulder dislocate using a dowel or a broomstick. So what we're gonna do is grab a dowel, and we can start as wide as we need to. So the wider you go, the easier it's gonna be for this one. So Cheeky's gonna start about hip height, and then what we're gonna do is just take that dowel overhead, and then we're gonna pause around about here in that hard position, hold it for a few seconds, and what you'll notice is he's stretching out his pec major, pec minor. He's gonna feel that anterior delt and the biceps are all starting to lengthen. And whilst it's not technically a load, we are creating tension, which then means we're gonna create some force production under length. It means we're gonna get some flexibility through the shoulder. So you come all the way around and you hit yourself in the bum, and then we come back around the other way as well. So the arms should stay fully locked out. If we can't keep the arms locked out, we've just gone a little bit too close and we just need to take our hands wider. We also want to focus on keeping our rib cage tucked down towards our pelvis, so we keep our mid bone tight, and then we're not just getting false range through our lumbar spine. So we'll go one more rep at normal sort of speed, ideally spending some time in the toughest position that we have there, so we get some time under tension. Now, if you're finding that hard, this is one of those drills where adding load can actually make it a little bit easier. You're probably not going to hurt yourself too much by adding a 2.5 kilo plate, and you actually might find that you get a bit more benefit from adding a little bit of load. So sometimes in these loaded mobility series, you might find that adding a little bit of load will actually increase your ability to stretch further. So 2.5 kilo plate goes on, and just pause there. We're trying to really lock out these elbows, and when we do that, you're gonna see that length through the bicep. You might even feel a bit of forearm as well, and that's gonna get pretty hard. So we're actually loaded through here, and we're creating length under tension, which means we're creating force production as well, which means we're gonna have healthy and happy joints that are less prone to injury. So we'll probably go for about 10 reps, nice and slow as we can, and really lengthen out that anterior so we've got some range of strength.